Ladies and gentlemen, for sale here at Toyota Tri-Cities, we've got a 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. This one has the 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine. It can tow 5,000 pounds. The hybrid version tows 3,500 pounds. This here is a limited model in the pearl color. This one has the pano roof glass option as well as the pano view monitor. How can you tell it's got a pano view monitor? Aside from the 360-degree bird's eye view camera inside, there's a camera right there on the front. LED headlights, LED fog lights, big old wheels. There's also a satin black option for the wheels as well. This one has Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. So there's the camera, and then the radar is right there behind the logo. It does a few things. First one is pre-collision. If somebody pulls out in front of you after working 2 jobs, this Toyota will see it and hit the brakes to avoid or minimize the collision. That's pretty good, right? The other part is it is a road trip champion, full range dynamic radar cruise control. So you set your cruise and jam out to Coeur d'Alene. You can set your cruise, and when you roll up on the big rig doing 65, it'll see it and slow down until it gets out of the way, or you go around it, so you can make it the whole way there without touching the pedals. It also now has lane trace assist to go along with the lane departure alert. It also has proactive driving assist now with 3.0, so all that stuff works better than ever. Not quite as clunky as it used to be. We're starting in the back because I'm going to get in the car and show you what the interior looks like. But the biggest difference on a Grand Highlander versus a Highlander is the size of the back. I think it's about 15 inches more. A lot more storage and more seating capability in this third row. Okay, this one I've got reclined all the way back. This one has the all-weather cargo tray. It also has the foot activated liftgate, which is nice. There's your buttons right there. And then on the inside, this is all the same as the Highlander, right? The mechanics of it. So there you can see just how far back this actually reclines. I mean, that's almost a whole foot, right? Like, look at this to recline it. Oh my gosh, I didn't even do that one all the way back. It's definitely at least a foot, right? And then put it down, right? Because we don't always have to use the third row, although I could fit in the third row, right? I guess we should show you the foot room. All right. Well, there you go. Next up, I've got the key in my hand. Wave my foot. Car says, "Hey, yo, I see ya. I'm going to close the trunk now." Smart key works on the second row too. You see that? I can lock it there as well. On the inside, we've got the sunshade like most Highlanders do. All-weather floor liners. This is a limited model, so you get heated captain's chairs. This is the captain's rows. You can see that side's up a little bit. And then if we're getting in here, slides right up so you can hop in, right? And that's way back there. You remember how much room was in a Highlander? Not that much. Blind spot monitors, one of my customers' favorite new things. Glows gold whenever someone's in your blind spot. This particular model has door edge guards, color match, stainless steel. You've got the lumbar support on the power driver's seat. You also have a power passenger seat, but it doesn't have lumbar support. This one here has the wood interior accents as well as memory seating. And then here's your mirrors, right, left, right, and then you can make it automatically fold the mirrors in when you turn the car off. Here's where you've got your automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and there's how you can open the trunk from inside the car. Heated and ventilated seats in the limited version. This is ash interior. Here we've got automatic stop start on off, traction control on off. You've got mud and sand and rock and dirt and snow and downhill assist control. What do those things do? Same thing as eco and sport and normal. They change the settings of the software that make this car handle and go the way you're telling it to. It's a push button start. Also down here, you've got your wireless phone charger. There's the data USB-C. There's a charging USB-C. And then here's your 360-degree view camera. Moving up, heated seats, cooled seats, 3-zone climate control, rear defrost. This is the de-icer function, okay? And then this big screen, biggest screen we've had in there. And then the 360-degree view camera. Looks like this. I always called it a bird's eye view camera. Now they call it a panoramic view camera, right? So it shows you like a straight down. The reason is there's a mirror, there's a camera on the mirror. See when I open the door, it changes that because the mirror's on the, or the camera's on the bottom of the mirror there on both sides. And then it does move. Of course, you can change it. You can make it a wider view, or when you're going forward, let's say you're parking in the garage, you hit the view button, and then you can see right out that front camera how close you're getting to whatever it is you're getting to. Right here, you've got garage door openers, of course, standard stuff, Toyota connected services, and then boom, there's the panel glass, right, which is super nice, a lot of room. Right here, you got regular old entertainment controls. Here's your safety controls, cruise, lane departure, lane trace. And then up here, you can see that is the proactive driving assist that you can turn on and off as well. And oh, by the way, the sound system slaps. So thank you so much for watching. This vehicle is for sale. Do you know how long it's been since we've had a Grand Highlander on the lot and for sale? If you're still watching after this many minutes, maybe give me a like. It helps my YouTube algorithm. I'm almost up to 200,000 views just on reference material like this, right? Like core Toyota product. If you're in the Tri-Cities or anywhere and you need to buy one of these Toyotas, give me a call. Call Toyota Tri-Cities, ask for Justin. Send me a comment here, whatever I can do to help, I'm in. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Toyota.